time to pack for Miami and my cruise to Mexico. As someone with arthritis that affects my mobility, here's what I make sure to pack. Cruising and vacations are amazing, but in order to enjoy it, I bring certain items that help me move the best I can. I don't want to miss any experiences because I didn't pay attention to my arthritic ankle. I listen to her and help her move as easily as possible. I'm Kristen, traveling with severe arthritis in my right ankle and about to board a cruise ship tomorrow in Miami, headed to Mexico. Packing specific arthritis-friendly items helps me have a better cruise, save money, and make sure I'm prepared for how my ankle may be feeling. I'll share where I purchased or got the items just in case you're interested, and let's get packing. The first thing I make sure to bring is my folding cane. Nothing fancy, but the folding feature means that I can put this in my carry-on and it goes down that small. And it's really easy to put back together and it's pretty solid. This helps me if I have to stand in line before boarding. It's especially helpful for standing up after the plane lands because I'm stiff after sitting for a few hours. Next are my compression socks. I wear these to the airport and I bring an extra pair or two. My podiatrist recommended these socks and I purchased them on Amazon. They are definitely helpful for circulation on your legs while traveling, and they also help when I know I have a long day of walking. They give me that added support and security, and it does ease a bit of the discomfort at the end of the day. I have the long style covering from under my knee to my toes, but there are also shorter styles if you wish to wear something other than long pants. Mine may make me look like the Wicked Witch of the West, but I don't care. They help. My comfort is more important than how people think I look, and I just don't have to show them my beautiful striped socks. Have you tried compression socks to help with arthritis in your legs or feet? If you have, which brand do you recommend? Share with us. I'd love to hear. Because it's my ankle giving me most of my pain, good supportive shoes are critical to feeling better. I don't plan to sit around all the time, so sometimes I need to be moving, and Skechers are my brand of choice for how they fit me and how comfortable and light they feel on my feet. I'll wear these Skechers sneakers to the airport, so this will be the main pair that I have, and they've got the they're the max cushion with the thick soles, and these are so comfortable and I love them, so they're definitely going. I also have Skechers casual sandals in blue and black with a thick sole, but it's very comfy, and I can wear these to the beach, go right into the water with them, or wear them walking around town or on the ship. The adjustable straps make them comfortable to wear, and the cushioning in them make them really cushy. Really, cushioning is for cushiness, right? But it makes them very comfortable on your feet. Needed a dressy pair of sandals to wear to dinner, and of course Scarlet Night on the Resilient Lady, Virgin Voyages. And I find that the wedge heel works best for when I'm walking on a heel. I don't wear heels that often, but the wedge is the most comfortable, and these are very stretchy strap and very comfy. Now, Skechers does not pay me to promote their shoes, but they are the only kind of shoe that I own, all the way down to my slippers, 2 pairs of sandals, 2 pairs of dress sandals, and about 7 pairs of sneakers. So I have maybe, 12 or 13 pairs of Skechers. So Skechers, if you're interested, let me know. I'm your girl. And to help with more walking, especially maybe on one of those day tours we're going to take, I have orthopedic inserts. These were specifically made and molded for me from my doctor, but if you can't get this kind, then perhaps even a pair of Dr. Scholl's gel inserts or some extra cushioning will just help take the brunt of the force on your ankles and your feet. It'll just make you feel more comfortable. Next are my lotions and potions that I bring to help me feel better. Tylenol Arthritis helps me if I take it like before a day of extra heavy duty activity. I don't take it too frequently because Tylenol can bother my stomach, so definitely if you're going to get anything like this, check with your doctor, but I find that it helps. Now, taking this little bottle that I already have at home with me is so much more economical, because if I had to buy something like this on board, it's probably going to be 5 to 10 times the cost of this little bottle that I got at my local CVS. I also like a topical ointment or lotion to rub directly on my aching ankle. Now I have this one, which there's a front of it, which is called Rooted in Magnesium, but this, it's a glass bottle and it's 4 ounces and it's just too big to take. I don't want it cracking or breaking and them saying I can't take it through security. So instead, I have this tin. This is a balm, and it's from a Scandinavian company called Froya, and it's a thick balm, and it's called Complete Rheumatism Cure for Joints and Muscles. Smells good. It's got a nice spicy little smell to it, a little bit of mintiness, but it's so small and it's easy to take and it's solid, so it won't go anywhere. Bringing your own pain meds or aspirin or ointments like this is convenient. You already have them. Plus, it will definitely save you money from having to buy them on the ship or when you get off in one of the ports, because you might not even be able to find them. Lastly, let's talk about a few things that will make it easier for you when you're out and about and moving around. A crossbody bag can hold your things, frees up your hands, because that then allows you to get more support if you're using the cane or want to hang on to a railing. With this around your body, your hands are free. This bag definitely came in handy recently as I traveled throughout Thailand, Malaysia, and Laos. Most pictures you see of me out and about in Asia show the strap of my bag, and it was a definite necessity. While cruising, it's perfect for a day in the town or just going out and throwing some things into your bag that you want to keep with you. It can hold your phone, money, your room key or electronic pass, and most other things you might need for the day. Sunglasses, your meds, lip balm, sunscreen, tissues, and anything else you can squeeze in there. Make sure your luggage has smooth moving wheels. This will help you get through the airport much more easily without too much added strain. I also usually take my backpack to carry my laptop and use it as my personal item. It can hold all of my electronic devices, and believe me, I have a lot. I have the laptop, the iPad, I have a GoPro, and of course my phone will be in my pocket, and then I have all the assorted cords that go with it, charges, and so that's mostly my electronics bag. But I'll also throw in there a change of clothing just in case, and I can keep it with me. If you're someone that travels with arthritis or another mobility issue, is there something that you like to take with you that I haven't mentioned? Let us know in the comments so we can learn from each other. I definitely don't know everything. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to learn more about traveling with limited mobility. Stay tuned for cruise and Mexico content coming up soon. Now, to learn where it all started, check out this video over here. Take care and happy adventures.